Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing parts and power down the laptop fully. This prevents short circuits and lost data. Put on an anti-static strap and ground yourself, because static can destroy chips. Once done, remove the main battery or ensure no power is connected, then unscrew the back panel using the correct driver size. Make sure to keep screws organized in a pattern so reassembly is straightforward. You're now ready to access the drive bay or M2 slot. You'll now identify whether your HP uses a 2.5 SATA drive or an M2 module. This matters because connectors and mounting differ. Carefully remove the retaining screw or bracket holding the drive. For 2.5 drive, slide the SATA cable out and lift gently. For M2, pull the module free at a shallow angle. Make sure not to force anything. If it resists, double-check for hidden screws. Once the old drive is out, compare connectors. You install the new SSD by aligning its connector and seating it flat, secure with the same screw or bracket to avoid movement. Reinstall the back panel and reconnect the battery or power, then boot straight into BIOS to confirm the drive appears. This verifies electrical connection before OS tasks. If BIOS sees it, proceed with cloning or clean install. If not detected, power down and reseat the drive. Inspect contacts for debris, and make sure your BIOS supports that SSD type. Those steps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.